Okay, good to go.
Then let us begin. You must reach all snipers before Hanako-sama's float appears.
Hey, what's going on? Why did you shut the elevator?
Arasaka, poor chap. World's most powerful, turned into a commercial hack.
Surprise! He's a symbol of an icon.
Beautiful! Just a juxtaposition of the masses celebrating corporate culture and having exactly no share in its fun. Let me see it now. Let me see that fucking juxtaposition.
Those things.
Hot! Oh, I'm gonna spew alone! Shouldn't even be out here. Back inside, back inside!
Come on, you get to see a whole bag full like candy. Access points hella secure anyways. Place mines around it. Anyone breathes on it, boom! They'll be turned into a pile of confetti.
You are close. He's almost in front of you. He's watching the crowd, not his back.
Won't know what hit him.
Yeah, exactly. In the name of science.
Goro, took out the one closer.
Now you must leap to the balcony by the green arrow and take the elevator. Take the footbridge at the top to cross the street.
Fuck yourself! Hush up! You crazy? They killed Tom and didn't even bother releasing his body. And there ain't no conversation about the body.
This is important. Oda is speaking to someone. I am linking you in. We both can listen.
Again, security is substandard. It meets none of our norms. Hanako-sama should not be here. You questioning Yorinobu's orders? Do your damn job. Understood. Over and out.
It is just as we expected. Oda is here. I will contact you with any news.
I know that borged out ogre. Adam fucking Smasher.
Guy who killed you, right?
Guy, motherfucker's barely human. But hey, know what? I'm glad he's here.
You're glad?
Seeing as I woke up in a world without any Saburo, I'll have to be satisfied with Smasher.
You gotta be satisfied. You got fuck all to lose.
Alright, fine, Your finger on the fucking trigger, I guess.
to reach the maintenance area. You can climb up from there.
Catwalk don't look too stable. Sure Takamura didn't plan a little whoopsie-daisy for you?
Fuck! Almost fell.
Carefully. You must not draw attention.
Told you so.
Silence is not. It is the sound of a flame extinguished.
You will have to get down somehow. Just be careful. Yes, just so. Don't rush. I need you alive, not the corpse below.
Founder and CEO of the largest and great defense contract. Soldier, industrialist, visionary. My father. These words are not for his friends, members of his family, or profit business associates. They are for its enemies. And it is no coincidence that I utter them here in this city. It was 50 years ago in Night City that our enemies stole their true power. A cowardly act of terrorism consumed 4,000 lives. The lives of Arasaka Corporation employees. The lives of night citizens. Arasaka Tower crushed. And yet its spire still towers over the rooftops and skyscrapers. These towers more and enduring. My father was equally cowardly act of violence. It was an act of violence aimed at the world of values in which we all share. As Night City is its witness, the Arasaka Corporation shall...
Just a few feet more and he's yours.
Understood, High Bridge. Scanning.
The soldiers say, target down.
Good words to hear. You will find a door to a staircase at the end of the room. It's the shortest route to the next sniper. He positioned himself high.
Keep you posted.
Silence is not golden.
P, it is order again. Listen.
We have to announce that public safety has been compromised. She must be extracted. At once. Arasaka is fully capable of protecting its principles. Ask your boss what he values more. The Arasaka image or his sister's life. The situation is in hand. Over and out.
Did you hear? They know something. Perhaps much. We must hurry. try to reach the maintenance area. You can climb up from there. And if that doesn't work, you can use the footbridge to your right. Watch out for the float jets. Unless you intend to get cooked, I would keep my head low. Find cover. They see you.
Well, that would be all.
Yes, apparently. Well done. One problem remains.
And that is...
The Arasaka Netrunner. She has taken control of all the networks. You must get rid of her. We'll not be able to hijack the float otherwise. She hides in an unfinished apartment building, near to the second sniper's nest.
Okay, on my way. Not good.
Now, V, I have our attention. Pull out our link.
Been on a while. Time for a break.
Fuck! Order.
Of course you're here.
choice.
Distance! What's the distance? Stay away from his blade. He will slice you like fish.
That's right.
Beware! He will activate camouflage. The group breaks in the light.
Touch her. I did not threaten you. Finished.
Not kill him. This was his duty. What is your status?
I'm sorry, Oda.
No,
Brought this on yourself, too.
no, you didn't have to.
He'd have done the same to me. You saw it!
I will remember this. There should be nothing standing in your way now. We press forward.
Okay, Preem. Online and in the system. Hanako's inside.
What is she doing?
Trying to call someone, I think.
Try to listen. Do not forget to disarm the alarms. I must be able to enter.
危険だと警告されたの。小田とも連絡が取れないし、何か変だわ。
パレードを中止すれば、弱さを露呈したと思われる。
弱さ？誰の？あなたの。
俺たちだ。
私が参加したのは、あくまでもお父様を追悼するため。操り人形になるためじゃないわ。
この見せ物では、みんなに役割がある。美智子は文句を言ってないぞ。だが、お前が言うなら中止してもいい。全部やめだ。お前の安全が第一だからな。
兄さん、やり終えましょう。
ありがとう、花子。せっかくの式典だ。やり終えなければ悔いが残る。
Girl, all systems jammed. It's now or never.
お父様。
花子様、
あなたは
お許しを。どうか話だけでもお聞きください。三郎様は、
父のことを口にしないで。
これが俺にできる最後のご奉仕なのです。三郎様の死について真実を明かすことは、花子様、無礼を働きたくありません。しかし、ラン！
Shit!
He shot her.
Whatever he did, now we're really fucked.
Knew we couldn't trust him. What happened to keeping him on his leash? We'd best dealt the fuck out of here.
Are you secure?
Yeah, for now. Lost your fucking mind?
There's no time to explain. We must meet.
Where are you?
An abandoned apartment block on Pine Street. Second floor. Number 303. Knock 4 times. Hurry.
I look okay to you? We're about to go live. 3, 2... Hey, stay out of the shot! Oh, damn it. Let's do it again. 3, 2... Hey, stay out of the shot! Thank you! People are working here!
Your co-processor malfunctions will vanish like mad.
Okay, come inside, quick. I feared they had caught you.
Now are you gonna tell me what the fuck you were thinking?
I used a sedative. She tried to enable her tracker. I had no choice. I offered her some tea.
You kidnap Hanako Arasaka and offer her a cup of fucking tea?
Yes, she respectfully declined. Tell her the truth about Yorinobu. No embellishment. And state your terms clearly. Perhaps to you, she will listen. Hanako様、彼女が例の人物です。どうか話を聞いてあげてください。
I was there that night at Konpeki Plaza. I saw Saburo Arasaka die. He wasn't poisoned. It's a lie your brother made up and spread. Yorinobu is the murderer.
You must be mad to think I will listen to such nonsense.
Look, I know it's a lot to take in, let alone believe. Also know you're an honorable person, worthy of trust. And that's why I want to make you an offer.
You make me an offer?
The relic your brother tried to hawk off to Netwatch is in my head. Right now. Took a bullet to the brain, but the tech on the chip saved me. Now, it's slowly killing me. One of your personality constructs, engrams. It's overriding my psyche. Gotta stop the process before it's too late. Know you got the means to help me.
Hanako-sama, V is living proof of the terrible crime your brother committed. We can confirm every word she speaks if only you will help her with the relic. Hanako-sama. Did you hear that? Go and check.
Got a bad feeling about this. Damn it!
On the ground, cunt! Don't move!